Hello student, last day you saw that how the royal treasury of the king was stolen. That day was actually robbed, and then king actually did what? He actually ordered to fetch his royal diviner. And who is a royal diviner? A royal diviner is actually a person who tells the fortune in royal court, in actually in the court of the king. So he actually ordered, the king actually ordered to bring the royal diviner of his court, and actually he instructed them to ask all his assistant to catch the thieves who actually robbed his royal treasury. So in those days, actually, with the help of diviners who actually knew by their magical power the things, the secret things that nobody else, the normal person, and every man cannot know. Now students, we will see that what the narrator will narrate you. But though the fortune tellers cast their dice and mumbled quite wisely, not one could locate the thieves or the treasure. But this time actually the royal diviner, doesn't his powers, his fortuning powers were actually didn't work for the king, as he casted his dice many times, but still, and he mumbled some wise words also. Mumbling wise words here actually, pronouncing some mantras, and that's what it is suggesting, some scriptures, some holy words, but still it did not work. And thus what happened actually, the royal diviner could not able to locate the thieves and the treasure, where the treasure is and where the treasure was robbed actually, and where the treasure was lost. Student, that locate means to search, to know the place where something is. Now the king is telling to diviner, his royal diviner, that you are frauds, throw them all in prison. So actually now king get to know that these royal diviners are just fake. They do not they do not actually do the fortune teller in real. They are just the frauds. So now the king also got to know that in present time also we should not believe those babas and all those people who actually promise you that he can tell you fortunes. These type of persons, a fortune teller or a diviner, are just fakes and frauds. So actually king also got to know that his diviner, his royal diviners, all are fake, all are just frauds. They cannot do anything in real. Now what happens here, student, that the king had heard about the fortune teller who had found the ring of his minister's wife. So he sent 2 guards to marketplace to bring Ahmad, who appeared trembling before him. Means he was so nervous that he trembled when he was presented in front of the king. So actually this king who has lost his trust on his royal diviner, now he actually heard from somewhere about Ahmad and his charms and his majestic powers, that how he found a lost ring of a woman by his fortune telling. So actually that king also ordered to fetch that what his name was, actually Ahmad, who has just recently become a fortune teller. And when Ahmad was brought into the court, the king was telling him that, diviner, my treasure has been robbed of 40 chests. What can you tell me about the thieves? Students, in those days the jewelries, the golds were actually, students, chest means the box, the wooden box or the box made of metal in which we keep some precious metals and especially the jewelries. So the king is telling to the diviner, it means Ahmad, that his jewelries of 40 chests, just means his 40 boxes of jewelries has been robbed. And now he is seeking the help from this diviner Ahmad, that what he can do to find him the lost jewelry and actually the thieves also, so that he can punish them.